I am B. Lakshmi Prasanna, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Now, we will see how to execute a program on arithmetic and logical operations using Win862 software.
Now, we will see how to perform an experiment on 16-bit arithmetic and logical operations by using Win862 software. First, open Win862 software and then take assemble. So here give any assemble address where you need to store the program. Then click assemble. Then the control will be coming here. From here you can type the program. Now let us write a program to perform addition operation. Move AX, hash 4343. Move BX, hash 1111. Add AX, BX. And the last instruction INT 03. So this is the addition program, 16-bit addition program. So after typing the program here in assemble, you have to close it, then open disassemble. So in disassemble, here you have to give the address where you wrote the program. So we wrote the program in 2000 location. So give here hash 2000 and click disassemble. So you can observe the program what you have written for 16-bit addition operation here. So after seeing the program, then you have to click set PC. So if you click set PC, you can observe the control in the first instruction. After clicking set PC, then you press run. So if the complete program is executed, the control will be coming to the end of your program. So the last line in our program is INT 03. So the program will be end here. Now to see the result here, according to the program written, add AX, BX. So the result will be stored in AX register, addition operation. So in order to see the result in the registers, you have to click here view registers. So in the view registers, you can observe, so add AX, BX. So AX is the destination register. You can see your result in AX register. So here if you observe AX, BX, CX, DX, SP, BP, SI, DI, okay, so all these are the 4 segment registers, instruction pointer, flag register. So all these are the registers you can observe in view registers. So all these are the registers available in 8086 microprocessor. But according to the program, our addition result will be stored in AX register only. So you have to note down only AX register value, that is 5454 has the output. So 4343 is one input you have taken and 1111 is another input. If you add these two, it is going to produce 16-bit addition output. It will be stored in AX register and it is 5454. This is how you have to perform 16-bit addition operation. So if you want to perform the subtraction operation for the same input values 4343 and 1111, no need to again go for the assemble and write the program. In the disassemble itself, you can change a single instruction. So you can change the single instruction by clicking on this addition. You can have the subtraction instruction inserted. It leads to subtraction operation. Now let us perform 16-bit subtraction operation. So we need to change this addition instruction as the subtraction instruction now. If you are taking the same inputs, no need to write the entire program. So take this line and you go for assemble. Now write here the instruction what you are going to modify. So I am going to modify the addition instruction as subtraction instruction. SUB AX comma BX. Okay, so this is the input data what I am going to take. Okay, so subtraction is the arithmetic operation I am going to execute now. So if you click OK, the addition instruction will be replaced with the subtraction instruction. Now if you run this program, it will be performing the 16-bit subtraction operation. So click on the first line so that the control will be executing from the first line. Okay, after that set PC, the control will be in the first line. Okay, after set PC you have to click run. So the control will be coming to the end of the program, that is int 3. So after your program is executed, then the result what you are getting is a 16-bit subtraction result. And it will be stored in AX register because AX is the destination register here. So to see the result, since it is storing in register AX, you have to click here view registers. So inside this view registers, you can observe there are different registers available. All these are the registers of 8086 microprocessor. But what we require is only AX register. If you observe AX register, the result will be 3232. This is the output of your 16-bit subtraction operation for this input 4343 and 1111. So in the output column, you have to note down the register as AX and the value as 3232. This is how you have to perform the subtraction operation. Now in the next case, this is how you have to perform the 16-bit subtraction operation. Now if you want to perform the 16-bit multiplication operation for the same input data 4343 and 1111, you can change this subtraction instruction as multiplication instruction. If you are going to change this input data, again you have to write the program. So since in our case we are taking the same input data, you can change the single instruction instead of subtraction as multiplication. So because of this, you have to click on this line where you want to change and then go for assemble. So after going for the assemble, here you have to write multiplication instruction. So MULWBX. Click OK. So that multiplication instruction will be replaced here. Okay. So after replacing here, in order to execute this program 16-bit multiplication, click on the first line and then set PC. The program will be executing at the starting instruction. Then click run. So the control will be coming to the end of the instruction. So here MULBX, multiplication operation. This is the general format of multiplication operation. Okay. Now the result will be stored in AX register and also DX register. Since we are multiplying here two 16-bit datas, the result will be, multiplication result will be greater than 16-bit. So you have to consider the register AX and also the extended accumulator register DX to see the 16-bit multiplication result. Now to see the multiplication result, you go for clicking view registers. So in this registers, you have to note down AX value and also DX value. So AX value is EA73 and DX value is 047B. If you multiply two 16-bit datas, the result will be greater than 16-bit. Okay, so the first 16-bit result LSB will be stored in AX, and the next MSB result of the multiplication will be stored in DX register. So for the multiplication result, you have to note down both AX register and DX register as the output. So this is how you have to perform the 16-bit multiplication operation. Now, so you can also take different input values also. Okay, so let us consider here division operation now. Let us do the division operation. Now again you can take the new input values. To take the new input values, compulsory you have to go for assemble, and again you have to write the program. So give here any address. If it is 2000, if it is okay, click assemble. Here you write the program for 16-bit division operation. So move AX comma hash 0000. So this instruction is used to clear the accumulator. Move W AX comma hash 0040. So this is the input value what I am taking. Move B BL comma hash 08. So in this AX and BL registers, one of the value what I am taking is divisor and another value is dividend. And the last instruction INT 03. So here if you see, we have forgot typing the division instruction. Okay, so in such a case you have to, if you forgot typing any line in the program, you have to close it and again you have to take the assemble and you have to start typing the program again. So be careful while typing the program. So you should not miss any single instruction while typing the program. So again, to perform the 16-bit division operation, write the program move W AX comma hash 0000. So this instruction is used to clear the accumulator. Move W AX comma hash 0040. So this is one input you are taking. Move B BL comma hash 08. Okay, so this 40 and 8. So one is divisor and another one is dividend value. DIV B BL. So this is the instruction used to perform the division operation. INT 03. Okay, so this is the end of the program. Now, so in order to simulate this program, you have to close this and open disassemble. So we have written the program in the location 2000. So click disassemble. You can observe our division program. So if you observe the division program, then click set PC and run. So the control will be at the last instruction. It means that all the instructions are executed. Now, to see the output of this 16-bit division operation, you have written that you are going to see the result in registers. So you have to click here, view registers. So you have to click here, view registers. So in this view register, AX is the result. So 0008. Okay. So 40 divided by 8. So the remainder is here 8 in the value of hexadecimal. So you have to note down this AX register as the output and its value is here 8. This is how you have to perform the 16-bit division operation. So we have seen up to now how to perform 16-bit arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so now let us see how to perform the logical operation. So for example, let us write the program to perform AND operation. So take the assembler, so consider any address here, then click assemble. Let us write a program to perform 16-bit AND operation, logical operation. Move AX, hash 4343. So that is one input we are taking into AX register. Move W BX, hash 1111. So that is another input we are taking, and to perform the AND operation, take the instruction and W AX, BX, and the last instruction is INT 03. So this is the program to perform 16-bit logical AND operation. Now, so here your AND AX, BX. So it means that after performing the AND operation, the result will be stored in destination register, that is AX register. So after completing the program, we close it and open disassemble. So click here, 2000 as the address, click disassemble. So you can observe our program, then set PC and run. So the entire AND operation program is simulated. Now to see the result, you go for clicking view registers. Okay, so in the view registers, you are observing in AX register as 0101. Okay, so if this is the input you are taking, if you perform the AND operation, 0101 is the output and it will be stored in AX register. This is how you have to perform the 16-bit AND operation. In the same way, you can also perform another logical operation, that is OR. Okay, so for example, if you are taking the same inputs 4343 and 1111, if you want to perform the logical OR operation, you can have it by clicking on this and changing this AND instruction to OR. So click assemble and here you write OR W AX, BX. So if you click OK, the OR instruction will be replaced here. So in order to simulate this, on the first line, you click it and then set PC and then click run. So the entire program will be executed. Now to see the result, you click here, view registers. So here according to the program, our result will be stored in AX register. So if you observe this AX register, 5353 is the output. So if you perform the OR operation between these two inputs, that is 4343 and 1111, 5353 is the output and it will be stored in AX register. This is how you have to perform the 16-bit logical OR operation. So in this way, you have to perform the 16-bit arithmetic and logical operations by using Win862 software. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.